What's good? It's your boy Axjo. Today magwawax ako tsaka car wash ko to. Ano na dito oh. Malikabok. Samahan niyo ako magpa-car wash mga idol. Dito din malikabok din. Sa camera lang parang makislap pero malikabok na yan. Dito. Okay, so samahan nyo ako magpa-car wash. And then ako na mismo magwa-wax nito. Papa-car wash lang tayo. So alright. So saan na ba tayo? Ito pala yung bayan namin. Dito na lang yan. Bali tayo magpapa-car wash. Okay, dito tayo magpapa-car wash. Wala kasi ako nung tripod ay nung GoPro, sayang. Mas maganda sana quality. Sana ako guys enjoy this video kasi pa naman ganun kaganda yung quality ng video natin. Sana bukas sila. Madumi na naman. Kailan lang ako nandito? Okay. Dumi ulit. Hindi mo pala naibaba yung mga basahan dito. Ito yung car wash na. Dami maputek. Oo. Galing ano yan eh. Dami yata matatanggal na po. wax sa bahay. Buti na lang.
System activated.
Tayo guys. See you later dun sa bahay. See you later. Na-drive muna ako. So, ito na po. Tapos na po. Ito na tayo. Wax na lang tayo. Okay. Waxin natin yung paint para mas kamislab. Tsaka may protection sa araw at ulan. Oh man. Alright. Iba ko lang ito. Gents, here's we're going to use. There we go. TURTLEWAX. This is not sponsored by TURTLEWAX, but this is I'm going to use right now to this paint para matanggal yung mga ano niya. Yan yung mga marks and stuff. So maybe samahan niyo ako mag-apply ng wax natin. So you can see right here, medyo may mark na siya dito. So here we go. Samahan niyo po ako mag-apply. Let's go. The wax, apply lang natin siya by panel. Ako sumama lahat. Kuha lang po kayo ng handful ng konti. Medyo sumama siya lahat, oh. Okay, ubusin na natin itong wax na to dito. So kahit ganyan lang po. So apply natin siya dito sa side na to. Okay, here we go. Circular motion. Like this. Masyado makapal yung pagkakalagay ko. Kailangan ano lang po, konti lang po. So okay. Circular motion kasi para po hindi mag so like this. Pati sa headlight. Wag lang po yung mga ano, yung mga katulad nitong step board. Kasi po mamumuti pati itong mga ganito saka dito. So pag po kasi nilagyan natin yan ng wax, mamumuti. So ito lang talaga. Itong pintura lang tsaka mga headlight. Yan, apply lang natin itong ganyan. Let's apply the wax. Okay, may sumayad. Pagka ganun, kuha ka na ng basahan. Punasan natin agad. Pagka may sumablay dito. There we go. Para hindi mamuti. Okay, so bababa rin lang natin to. Bali mga siguro 30 minutes. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa side na to. Yun naman pinto. Pahid lang po ulit. Ganyan din tayo sa side na to. Okay, so ganyan. Circular motion. Huwag na kayo masyado madiin. Just ano lang po, yung pressure na normal lang pagka nagpapahid kayo. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, hawa pa ng konti. Ayan, kahit ganyan lang po. Ayan, pahid mo dito. Kasi mahirap matanggal pagka binabad. Mahirap pag walang GoPro. Kung tayo GoPro, mahirap mag-vlog pagka wala tayong GoPro. Pakikita ko po sa inyo yung result nito later. Okay. So I'm just gonna finish this up whole hanggang dun po sa side na nandito po sa side dito po. Then pakikita ko sa inyo mamaya yung finished product. Okay, pupunasan po natin yan lahat. Okay, I'll see you later. Gents, right now I'm doing the roof. Let's go ahead and put a wax on here so you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and apply right here. Yeah, this car is big, so this will take more than that car right there. Okay, so I'm gonna put some wax again. Okay, so let's go apply here. Let's go ahead and apply right there. Circular motion again. Here too. Nice. Go. And then we're gonna let it sit for like 15 minutes. So I think after 15 minutes this was done. Okay, so we're gonna go back here. So as you can see, it has a hazy look to it, but I'm going to wax all over here, so it will protect it from the sun and easier to clean next time. So let's go do it. So we're gonna apply here as well. I just finished cleaning all the right there. Finished cleaning all of that, so we're gonna apply it right here at the side of this roof rack. As you can see right there. So we're gonna wait for 15 minutes here at the top, and then we're going to wipe all that haze at the front all the way from the back. So let's go do it right after this. Okay, so we're done here. Okay, ladies and gents, we're done. We waxed it all up. As you can see right here, here's an example. As you can see the haze right there. Let's see if this is, yeah, it sticks. Ready to remove. So as well as in here, here as well, the headlights. Put some wax right there as well. here at the side. It is already 15 minutes. So we're gonna wipe it down so you can see the finished product, and let's go do it. You need a clean microfiber cloth just like this. You fold it like this, and then you're gonna wipe it up in circular motion. There we go. So this is hard to remove, all the wax and stuff. There we go. It looks good, shiny, and it is protected from the sun. It was right there. Okay, so that is the wax, ladies and gents. It is, wow, man, it is good. As you can see, paint looks brand new. There we are. And now we're gonna wipe all the wax in here. Okay, sorry if the lighting is bad today because it is already at 6 o'clock, I think. Yeah, so yeah, it's right there. There we go. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it was done. It was already 7:30 in the evening. So I wiped it all up. As you can see right here, there's no dust in there. Clean, shiny. Let's go here at the back. Sorry if I got a bad lighting. So, ayan po, tapos na. And right here, mas maganda po ito ko sa morning natin shoot, pero 7:30 na kasi ginabi na ako. Matagal kasing linisin yung malaki, yung SUV. Let's see here. Okay, buksan natin yung ilaw. Okay. Para makita nyo yung itsura niya. Okay, so yan po yung itsura niya. So dito wala na pong so deep scratches lang naman yung mga hindi ko matanggal talaga. Dito naman ano siya, shiny and all. Yeah, yan po yung finished product. Bali, ganyan po siya kalinis. Okay. Yan, sariling gawa. Ano lang po yung ginawa ko dito, pahid-pahid, hindi yung iba talagang binabuff pa talaga ng machine. But ito, ano lang, handmade. Yung in-apply ko lang, bali. So, you can see here, pati ito ma-kislap. Makikita nyo dyan. There we go. So, masarap na naman siya gamitin. So, okay, so, yun lang po. So, ladies and gents, I'm just preparing this car for summertime and rainy days, so it will be easier to clean this up next time. As you can see right here, there is no squirrel marks and stuff. It is really shiny because of the wax. And then here, right here, the glass and stuff, I just waxed it. So ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this, and share this to your friends or your family and stuff, so we can grow. And subscribe and like the video. Here, as you can see, it is cleaned. There's no squirrel marks in there. Even the headlights right there, it is shiny. So for more content like this, please do like and subscribe, because we are road to 2k subscribers. And then I think maybe I'm gonna do some off-road stuff in the near future, near vlogs. So ladies and gents, I hope you guys enjoy cleaning and waxing my car. Peace out.